こんにちは It's Rina! Today we're gonna kill our butt. There we go. We're just gonna do only 5 different Pilates workouts that's completely focusing on your booty. But we're gonna do both sides, so it's gonna be total 10 minutes workout. You don't need any equipment, but we're just gonna rely on only our body weight. And you can actually complete this workout by making tabletop on the mat. So you can pretty much do anywhere and anytime, as long as you have energies to work out. We're gonna do 45 seconds each, taking 15 seconds rest in between. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna make a tabletop. And then we're gonna start with taking one leg straight up and knee in. We're gonna repeat this move. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathe. Make sure to keep squeezing your abs and keep breathing so that you won't get hurt on your lower back. Exhale and inhale. Alright, now we're gonna switch the side. Take the other side of your leg out and in. Out and in. We got this. Try to feel the parts that you are training right now while engaging your core. Make sure to relax your shoulders. Right now we are working out our hips. Missing the signs I knew. My hands were tied the moment we met, and there was more to you. You were only 17, and I was your sixth release. A hostage on a silver lady. Alright, now we're gonna switch the side again, and we're gonna extend one leg up, and we're gonna keep it this position, and we're gonna bring it up, up, just like this. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Is it not enough that I barely got out with my life? I still carry every scar. Yes, Alright, now we're gonna switch the side, take one leg up, keep it, and bring it up. Just make sure, even though we are training our hips today, we're still gonna focus on our inner muscles to tone up the core. So make sure, keep breathing, whatever you are doing, so that you can work out your inner muscles. Always inhale and exhale. We got this. Alright, so now we're gonna switch the side again. Now we're gonna bend our knees and take it to the side and in, side and in, just like this. Start. Now you're gonna feel the side of your body. There you go. Alright, now we're gonna switch the side. Alright, now we're gonna switch the side again and we're gonna extend our legs. Now bring it up, and when you drop, cross. And again up and straight down. There you go. Cross and up and down. And up and cross and up and down. There you go. We're gonna repeat this routine. You don't need to be rushed, rather focus on your booty and your abs to turn it up. Alright, now we're gonna switch the side. I feel my booty so much. Guys, now we have one more workout to go. So that last one is gonna be, we're gonna bend our knees and bring the knee position higher and higher. We've got this. Here we go. Make sure again, keep squeezing your abs, engage your core, and don't forget to breathe. And I swear this is gonna be the last one. Here we go. We got it. Oh my gosh, good job guys. Alright, let's move into tango pose. Alright, so now take one leg front, bend your knees, and then push your chest on your knees so that you can stretch on your booty through your hamstring. Alright, now we're gonna switch the side. Take the other knee to the front and bring your upper body down so that you can stretch the side of your booty and your leg. Beautiful work guys. That was only 5 Pilates booty workout, but since we did both sides, it took 10 minutes total and I'm so sweaty right now. But if it's really easy for you, you guys are more than welcome to use resistance band to put more pressure on your booty and hamstring. If you feel your booty today, please don't forget to thumbs up. And also, I've been posting a bunch of Pilates and dancing called Danceolation workout videos categorizing as body parts on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel as well and stay tuned. Hope to see you guys in the next video. またね!